Oh, look at that shape. Beautiful. Oh!
There stands Mount Currie. There is Mount Currie.
Wonderful.
We have a couple of boats docked on the other side. There we are, community at McGilvery, behind the houses, in the cleft. There's McGilvery Falls.
Taylor slide that's been going on for years.
As pretty as the willow trees are, ladies and gentlemen, look about 20 yards out in front of the willow and you see a platform submerged in the water. You see it? Right there? And the reaction it would have gotten from the indigenous community in this area when this power station was built. The Seton Lake Bridge River BC Hydro Dam. Lillooet. If you're wondering why they're wetting the trees, that is a way of preserving the wood.
Fraser River.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Fraser Lillooet Canyon. So the only conceivable thing that the Rocky Mountaineer could have done at this point was to put everybody on motor coaches, and we did our best to take everybody at least to their destinations.
Would flow through, and that would slow down that water, making it easier for the gold miners to get that gold. So this is Abo Creek.
A neat sawmill.
Gold and the Canadian Nationals taught the freight train up.
This is the Oxbow portrait.
Oh, wow.
There's Mount Robeson. You can't see the top, but it's there. 12,000 feet plus. Spruce Lake. And a goddamn freight train.
I would like you to have a look in the seat pockets in front of you and your surrounding area, that you take all your personal belongings, please. Please. So can you have a good look around?
Trish, what are you doing?
I'm looking at Joni Jones and her friend. That's a good sign. That's a good sign.
Pyramid Lake near Jasper. A little snow.
These frozen waterfalls that come down the side, and it's really beautiful. It's also a very popular place for ice climbers. See what I mean? It's hard to talk about the bridge. It's too beautiful.
I've seen it happen.
Tram is leaving. Patricia's watching and up the mountain.
My turn. Look at that.
So we're going to gain an elevation of 1,005 meters, guys, or for all you guys in feet measurements, it's about 3,500 feet. This mountain behind me and sort of, because all of us are as spitters here, they cut, if you can see, or you guys at the front, when you get up to the top, check it out. Trains can go beside them. Alrighty guys, just head range. Each of this whole, so it means that these trees up here to be as tall as me, they're about 200 years old. Which ones? So as soon as one gets up, you've got about a minute or two to sort yourselves before it goes back down.
Pyramid Lake on top and Patricia Lake on the bottom, the ones we saw yesterday.
Patricia
You
Lake.
also see a little snow over there and some snowing going on fairly close to us. Australian ladies celebrating their 50th birthday.
We actually get lots of trains through town. We get one about every 15 minutes, average about every 15 minutes. This is the main line for the Canadian National Railroad. Going westwards, you have your raw materials like wood, wheat, coal, oil. Going eastward, you have all your stuff, finished products for your Costco's and the Walmarts and all that stuff. We're just going to pass over the tower here. As we do so, we go from a shallow angle to a steeper angle. The car is going to dip down, so just prepare yourselves for it.
When the voyageurs were going up using the Athabasca River as their highway, they hunted all the elk to extinction for their time. In 1928, Jasper got 88 elk from Yellowstone, and they arrived on the train. They got let out right in the whole town, just to help repopulate specifically this valley. And these ones are looking a little bit, they're just starting to lose their winter fur.
It's a Barrow, they're feeding on grain. Came off of the train.
Yeah, we got a. So unlike the deer and the elk, these ones are grown constantly. They're not bones, and all the little rings on here. Yeah. But these are all just like they grow. So this is a horn. They don't shed them, not like they grow them for life. It's made of keratin, like our nails or our hair, which is why they're always over there, almost a full fur. It's when they get all the way around. They have tranquilized them and they can go with them.
Loons on a floating nest. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
These guys are growing antlers. Seriously. Barrow's golden eye over there.
Unfortunately, since we came up the road, but whitetail has been killed. There was two.
Oh yeah, coyote over there.
Did you get him?
So thank you so very much for traveling with Rocky Mountaineer and enjoy your train journey today. It's going to be beautiful.
So if for any reason you do require assistance in the restroom, you
most definitely should press that button. If you accidentally press the SOS button,
Moose Lake. Headwaters of the Fraser River.
To protect the falls from too much human intrusion, and also to protect the moss that grows around it in the sprays. Old growth hemlock and cedar trees in the area that we wanted to maintain.
Thompson River.
These building more of these condos here. There's more people that will paint trains and buses.
Yes. We got like 14 buses down here this morning on this huge train.
Yeah.
Not one duck in this lake. About 25 miles east of Kamloops. Thompson River.
so now that we saw the bridge on the left, we're going to look where we are. So this is, Little Black Canyon. So all that black shale again and the nice Thompson River. These grates here, those are those fish waves. So they built these concrete structures that slow down the water flow so that the salmon are able to swim upstream. And it's quite interesting. Of course, this is the first time the salmon is swimming upstream, but they are drawn to these fish waves and they understand how to use them right away. This is the only gondola in the world that goes down to the destination instead of up. All right, congratulations everyone, you just made it through the gates of hell. Now below us is what is known as brackish water, because this is where the Fraser River that we've been following along all day. We hope to see you, we all love to travel, maybe we'll see you in an airport, maybe a train station, somewhere in the world.